Hey there, RV and camping lovers. Are you still struggling to find a reliable custom manufacturer for RV drawer and cabinet locks? Let's be real, when you're on the road, your RV's locks aren't just about keeping your stuff safe, they're also about making your daily life easier. We've been deep in the RV lock game for 13 years, and our RV drawer replacement lock series? It's become a top pick in the global RV parts market for a reason. It's way more durable than industry standards, designed with real RV life in mind, and fits so many different uses, solving all those annoying problems like locks breaking easily or being a hassle to use when you're on the move. 1. Why our SS6209 series stands out. Built for RV life, inside and out. The SS6209 series is made specifically for RVs and campers. We didn't just tweak a regular lock. Here's what makes it a game changer. Durable materials that beat the elements. We use a tough zinc alloy plus ABS combo, strong but not heavy. The zinc alloy buttons and lock bolts get a chrome finish, which means crazy good corrosion resistance. It passed the NSS salt spray test with flying colors, 200 hours in salt spray, and it still stays at grade 10 protection. That's 4x better than regular locks. So even if you're camping by the coast or dealing with weather, no rust or oxidation to worry about. We also thickened the lock bolt, way sturdier than those thin, flimsy ones. It handles frequent opening/closing and bumpy roads like a pro. The ABS baffle? Super shock resistant and won't age fast. We tested it, 100,000 smooth openings and closings, and it still works like new. No more stuck locks after a few months. No keys, no hassle, just easy one-hand use. Let's be honest. Losing or forgetting keys in an RV is the worst. That's why we skip the key entirely. Just press the button to lock, push it to unlock. Simple, intuitive, and you can do it with one hand. Even better? The button doubles as a handle. No need to install extra drawer pulls. Saves space in your RV's tight storage areas, and opening/closing drawers feels seamless. It comes in 3 colors: chrome, matte nickel, and black. Perfect for any RV interior, whether yours is modern, minimalist, or a bit retro. It blends right in and makes your cabinets look nicer too. Fits more than just RVs, easy to install yourself. This lock isn't just for RVs and campers. It works for motorhomes, trailer storage boxes, and even camping canopy lockers. Truly, one lock for multiple uses. Installation? A total breeze. It fits door panels 14 to 18 millimeters thick. Just drill a 21 millimeters, about 0.82 inch hole, grab the included screws, and you're done. No fancy tools, no need to hire a pro. Every set comes with everything you need: the lock body, 2 PA6 plastic baffles, a button ring and screws. Unbox it, install it, done in minutes. 2. Why you can trust us. 13 years of RV lock expertise. A great lock is only as good as the company behind it. We're a dedicated RV lock manufacturer in Dongguan, and here's why customers worldwide choose us. Big production, strict quality checks. We have a 4000 workshop with 6 standard auto assembly lines. We make 2 million locks a year, up to 10,000 pieces a day. So whether you need a small order for your own RV or a huge bulk order for your business, we can handle it. Quality? We don't cut corners. Every step, from mold making and zinc alloy casting to ABS injection and assembly, has our QC team watching closely. We test every lock in our lab. Salt spray, durability, strength. Nothing leaves our factory unless it's perfect. We also hold multiple design patents, and we launch 30+ new products every year. We stay on top of what RVers need, so our locks are always up to date. Loved globally, top markets, rave reviews. Our locks ship mainly to Australia, the US, and the UK, places where RV culture is huge. Our customer satisfaction rate? 98.8%. On Alibaba, our drawer locks are total bestsellers. Here's what real customers say. A Canadian customer tried our sample and said, "Quality is amazing, I'll be placing an order soon." A Korean customer loved how fast we shipped. Faster than expected, and the product is even better than I thought. An Australian customer put it simply, easy to install, Works perfectly, no more drawers popping open on bumpy roads. For retailers, the profit margin is great too. You can price it flexibly to fit your channel. Definitely a high potential product for RV parts dealers. Custom options and fast service. We work around you. Need your brand on the lock? No problem. 2,000 pieces minimum, and we can laser engrave or print your logo on the lock or packaging. Want custom packaging? Also 2,000 pieces minimum, PE bags, color boxes, export cartons. We'll design it to your specs. We do OEM/ODM too, so you can build your own brand easily. We're here for you 24/7. Reach us via email, phone, whatever works. Emails get replies within 3 hours. No waiting around for answers. Order timeline? Super reliable, samples ship in 1 to 3 days, in-stock orders in 3 to 7 days, custom OEM orders in 12 to 20 days. We have a 100% on-time delivery rate, no delays, no surprises. And every product comes with a 1-year warranty. If there's an issue with parts, we'll send replacements for free with your next order. 3. How to order. Simple, transparent, no headaches. Whether you're an RV owner, a small parts dealer, or a big RV manufacturer, ordering is easy and we fit your needs. 4-step order process, quick and stress-free. 5. Tell us what you need. Let our team know the model, like SS6209-1, how many you want, and the color. 6. Confirm the details. We'll send you a proforma invoice, PI, with price, quantity, delivery time, and any custom requests, no hidden fees. 7. Pay your way. We accept T/T, Western Union, MoneyGram, escrow, whatever's convenient for you. 8. Receive and check your order. We ship via DHL, UPS, EMS, air, or sea, your call. We can send a sample first if you want to check quality before your full order. Pricing. The more you buy, the more you save. We keep pricing fair, bulk orders get better deals. Ask our team for a custom quote, but here's a general idea. The more you order, the lower the per unit price. Perfect for scaling your business or stocking up for your RV fleet. Packaging and shipping, safe and flexible. Each lock comes in a PE bag to prevent scratches, 10 locks per small box, 100 per export carton, with extra cardboard for protection. No more damaged locks in transit. We ship from Shenzhen Port. For the US, UK, Australia, and other main markets, express shipping, DHL/UPS/EMS, takes 3 to 7 days. For big bulk orders, sea freight is a cost-effective option. We'll help you pick the best shipping method for your timeline and budget. If you're tired of flimsy RV locks that break or are a hassle to use, this is your solution. For RV owners wanting better storage security, or dealers looking for a high-quality, profitable product, the Jufu SS6209-1 metal push-button lock is it. Stop stressing about RV locks. Reach out to us today, and let's make your on-the-road life easier and safer.